In this video, I will share with you how to prevent last-minute bookings in Hostinger Website Builder Appointments system. This is a website built to Hostinger Website Builder, and I've already have this booking system. And without any further ado, let's see how to prevent last-minute booking. First, log in to Hostinger account, then go to websites. On this account, I have multiple websites, and to easily locate this website, I will search using the website URL. This is the website. Click on Manage Store next to your website. Now click on Products. Then click on Add, or if you already have your booking product created, just click on Edit. Now scroll down to the bottom of this page, and below appointments condition, set a minimum notice time that you need to get ready for the events. You can select between minutes, hours, days, or even weeks. Let's set days and select 4 days. Now update or save these changes. As you can see, I've made these changes for the booking for 4 person. Now let's refresh this page. Let's try to book an event. Today is December 28th, so this is today, and as you can see, the next available day to book is 25th of December. And this is how to prevent last-minute bookings in Hostinger Website Builder Appointments system. If you still have a question, leave it in the comment below. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.